The book of Romans has its complete prescription on how a person can be saved. Oh. The book of Romans shows the proper landscape of the situation of people. Oh. Dito maiintindihan mo, you will know here the W's. Why, what, when, where, how you gonna be saved. Dahil mahalaga na magkaroon ng kahulugan ang pangangaral ng mabuting balita. Hindi kayo masyadong nag-amen. Okay, it's okay. Give me some time, okay? Mahalaga mga kapatid kay Apostol Pablo na kung ikaw ay taga Roma o taga Novaliches, maintindihan mo ang pangangailangan na ikaw ay sumampalataya sa Panginoon. That you don't gotta go to Philippi, you don't gotta go to Ephesians, or you don't gotta go to Corinth